This is DOMAR TV. If you like informative videos like this, hit the subscribe and bell button, so you are the first one to know when I upload a new video. In this video you will know the 10 amazing animal superpowers. Number 10. Platypus. Sixth senses. The platypus is a duck-billed, beaver-tailed, otter-footed, egg-laying aquatic creature native to Australia. Platypus find its meals in the mud, it relies on its bill instead. This supersensory organ is packed with 3 distinct receptor cells that help the platypus detect movements and subtle electric fields produced by its prey. Pushrod mechanoreceptors on the bill detect changes in pressure and motion, while 2 types of electroreceptors track the electrical signals produced by the muscular contractions of the small prey. Using a side-to-side motion of its head, the platypus gauges the direction and distance of its next meal by collecting, and combining, these flows of sensory information. Number 9. Archerfish. Water jet. In the quiet waters of the Orient, there is an unusual fish known as the archerfish. The archerfish is unlike any other fish in that the archerfish finds its prey living outside the water. An insect, butterfly, spider or similar creature is the target of the archerfish's powerful spray of water. The archerfish will search for prey that are resting upon a branch or twig above the water. With pinpoint accuracy, the fish knocks the prey off the branch using a powerful jet of water. The prey falls to the water as the archerfish simultaneously swims directly to the location on the surface where the prey strikes the water, wasting no time to retrieve its meal. The feat of shooting a stream of water to knock the prey off a branch is remarkable. The fact that the archerfish can do this time and again with pinpoint accuracy is even more remarkable. Number 8. Mantis shrimp. Super punch. The mantis shrimp is one of the most interesting crustaceans found in the ocean. Scientists study their strength, molecular structure, and eyesight because it's all so unusual they are super shrimp. Mantis shrimp are only about 4 inches long but pound for pound are one of the strongest animals in the world. They use clubs that are more like elbows than fists to punch their prey with the force of a bullet shot from a .22 caliber gun. This incredible force is important for hunting food, easily breaking the shells of prey like crabs and clams. The clubs of the shrimp are spring-loaded similar to a crossbow when they release their club. It accelerates at over 50 miles per hour with a force of over 330 pounds up to 2,500 times the shrimp's own weight. If something the size of a person could hit that hard, they could break steel. The mantis shrimp uses its amazing sight to see prey. They have the broadest visual spectrum of any animal we know of. Like a lobster, the mantis shrimp's eyes are on stalks that the shrimp can move around. They can even move their eyes in different directions. Number 7. Pistol shrimp. Supersonic shockwave. Despite their small, unassuming presence, they carry with them an impressive weapon that can discharge powerful underwater bullets capable of stunning or even killing prey. Their built-in weapon comes in the form of a single, highly adapted, enlarged claw that can crank open and snap shut with incredible speed. It looks similar to a boxing glove. When a shrimp fires this weapon, it releases intense light, heat, and sound via the formation and collapse of underwater bubbles. The claw responsible for the infamous pistol shrimp snap. Only one of the shrimp's 2 claws has this capacity. It can be as large as half a shrimp's own body length. One pincer section cocks open and has a protruding plunger, while the other pincer section remains immobile with a socket to match. When the claw snaps shut, the plunger protrudes into the socket and very quickly pushes out a jet of water from inside the bottom socket region. Kicking off the cascade of events that generates the aforementioned bubble bullets, the jet of water pushed out by the shrimp's claw snap moves so fast it has clocked in at 62 miles per hour. Through the surrounding water that an area of low pressure is created directly behind the jet stream, forming a gas bubble. However, within microseconds, the pressure from the surrounding seawater builds so high that the bubble collapses in on itself asymmetrically, forming a cavitation bubble. The intense bubble implosion creates a loud pop sound that sends a sonic shockwave through the water, which can stun or kill unlucky invertebrates nearby. Number 6. Dung beetle. Super strength. Dung beetles are beetles that feed on feces. Some species of dung beetles can bury dung 250 times their own mass in one night. Many dung beetles, known as rollers, roll dung into round balls, which are used as a food source or breeding chambers. Others, known as tunnelers, bury the dung wherever they find it. A third group, the dwellers, neither roll nor burrow, they simply live in manure. They are often attracted by the dung collected by burrowing owls. There are dung beetle species of different colors and sizes, and some functional traits such as body mass or biomass and leg length can have high levels of variability. Number 5. Cuttlefish. Camouflage master. Cuttlefish are masters at altering their appearance to blend into their surroundings. Their most remarkable attribute is their complex and astounding system of pigmentation, which allows them to change their appearance rapidly. Even more chimerical than the chameleon, they can change extremely quickly, and they can alter not only the color of their skin, but also its texture and reflectance. These color changes are used for inter- and intraspecific communication as well as camouflage. These color changes are brought about by several different systems. Cuttlefish can change their appearance by hiding or exposing bundles of pigment, contracting muscles that alter their skin texture, or by exposing reflective pigment proteins. Cuttlefish control camouflage by the direct action of their brain onto specialized skin cells called chromatophores, that act as biological color pixels on a soft skin display. Cuttlefish possess up to millions of chromatophores, each of which can be expanded and contracted to produce local changes in skin contrast. By controlling these chromatophores, cuttlefish can transform their appearance in a fraction of a second. They use camouflage to hunt, to avoid predators, but also to communicate. Number 4. Lyrebird. Mimic. A lyrebird is most notable for their superb ability to mimic natural and artificial sounds from their environment. Sounds can include anything heard in the bird's immediate surroundings, such as many as 20 other species, including the kookaburra, the Australian thrush, and the whipbird. The superb lyrebird also emits a series of whistles, cackling notes, chainsaws, car engines, dog barks that are used as territorial calls. Number 3. Axolotl. Self-regeneration. The axolotl is the ultimate survivalist. When an axolotl loses a leg, tail, or a bit of its heart, the body part regrows and nary a scar remains. They can regrow lost limbs, again and again. Their regenerative powers are just incredible. If an axolotl loses a limb, the appendage will grow back, at just the right size and orientation. Within weeks, the seam between old and new disappears completely. And it's not just legs, axolotls can regenerate ovary and lung tissue, even parts of the brain and spinal cord. Number 2. Jellyfish. Immortality. The creature that defies death, scientists have discovered a Turritopsis dohrnii, the so-called immortal jellyfish. Can hit the reset button and revert to an earlier developmental stage if it is injured or otherwise threatened. These tiny, transparent creatures have an extraordinary survival skill, though. In response to physical damage or even starvation, they take a leap back in their development process, transforming back into a polyp. In a process that looks remarkably like immortality, the born-again polyp colony eventually buds and releases medusae that are genetically identical to the injured adult. In fact, since this phenomenon was first observed in the 1990s, the species has come to be called the immortal jellyfish. Number 1. Tardigrade. Indestructible. Tardigrades, also referred to as water bears or moss piglets, range from 0.05 mm to 1.2 mm long. We didn't just nerd out over these squishy creatures because of their looks. Tardigrades can survive and live just about anywhere, deeming them basically indestructible. However, they do prefer to live in sediment at the bottom of lakes, on moist pieces of moss or other wet environments. Tardigrades can withstand environments as cold as -328 degrees Fahrenheit and temperature highs reaching more than 300 degrees Fahrenheit. These amazing creatures are also able to survive radiation. Boiling liquids, massive amounts of pressure of up to 6 times the pressure of the deepest part of the ocean, and even the vacuum of space without any protection. And these are 10 amazing animal superpowers. If you have something to share, please let me know in the comment section below. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give this video thumbs up and share. Thank you for watching.